Is that?
Hot.
Oh.
Hot.
Oh, careful. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hot.
Oh, yeah. Are you stirring?
Yeah.
Mm.
Stirring. Oh, it's done now.
Ah!
It's done.
Is it ready?
Yeah. Hot.
Oh, is that hot? Blow on it then.
It's hot.
Oh, have it then. No, that hot still.
Hot.
Is it? Better keep stirring then. Do you want to hop down? Hop up the table?
No. I'm doing. It's so prepare.
You're going to chop it? What are you going to chop though?
Oh no.
Do you like to hop up the table
No.
and have dinner?
No.
No, thank you, Mummy. No, thank you, Mummy.
Thank you, Mummy. Hot.
I tell you what, one more stir and it's time to hop up to the table. We'll go and get Lucian. Okay? So stirring one more time. Stirring. Hot. Blow.
Did it?
Did it?
Hot.
Oh, blow.
You did it.
You did it.
Hot.
Oh. Okay. Let's hop up the table.
No.
Yeah, we'll go and get Lucian and then hop up the table.
No.
Come on, let's go get Lucian. Tell him dinner's ready. No, he's down on the computer. Let's go get him. Let's go. Up the table.
No.
Please, hop up the table.
No.
Sorry, Mummy. Sorry, Mummy. Sorry, Mummy. Lycan. Sorry, Mummy. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Okay, come on.
No.
Time to hop down.
No.
We'll go and eat at the table. You're all finished cooking now. All finished cooking. Come on.
No.
Come on. Time to go up the table.